Hi everyone, welcome back to Ellie Pop's Bespoke YouTube channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I make one of these cheeky little elf bows. Perfect if you're going to do an elf on the shelf and they're going to fetch a present, or just if your child likes elves, Christmas, anything like that. What you're going to need is your favourite bow template. I've also got some red chunky glitter. I've got a red striped leather and a green glitter. I've also got one of these Felty kits from Emma Jo Felties. I'll pop a link in the description box. In this you get the centre part, a hat and 2 feet. Now the hat does come with a little part that is not sewn together, and that is so you can fill that and make it plump, or you can actually put it on the corner of your bow and secure it. It doesn't matter either way to me, which way we do it. I'll probably glue that up and then glue this to the bow. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to use the green for the middle of the bow. So I'm going to get the middle part of my template and I'm going to just draw around onto the back of the fabric. Obviously this is if you are hand cutting. So that's that one. I'm going to use the stripe for the top, so I'm going to need the top part of the bow. And we're going to draw around that one. And I'm going to do red for the bottom of the bow. So I'm going to draw around the bottom template. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all these bow parts out. And I'll get back to you when that's done. Okay, so all of our parts have been cut and I'm going to stick them together now. So I'm going to stick the middle part together, the green bit. Hold up there for a couple of seconds. Then I'm going to stick the middle part together. Now I have chosen vertical stripes for this one. You can do them horizontal if you want to. That's those bits, and there's the bottom of the bow. So I'm going to need a clip for the back, which I'm going to use a 65mm alligator clip. I am going to stick these parts together first, the bottom and the middle. Looking Christmassy already with those colour combinations. Make sure that's straight. And then we're going to stick the top part on. Okay, so there's the base of the bow, already Christmassy as it is. Would look lovely with a red band through the middle, and that would be fine. Maybe a piece of holly on there, but that would look lovely as it is. But we're going to make this one into an elf bow. So I'm just going to stick the clip on the back. Like that. And then we're going to put these elf pieces together. So like I said at the start, this has got a hole in there for you to stuff it, use it as pencil topper, anything you like. I'm just going to glue it together. It's felt, so it doesn't take much to glue it. Just a little line inside there, and that's done. So the middle part is a little buckle. That's going to go around the middle of the bow like that. So we need to glue. I'm going to glue it on in the middle first. because I need to make sure it's in line. The buckle needs to be in the middle. Now these bits might be a bit long, so we'll just work with what we've got. Put some glue on the felt. Fold that down a little. And that one will work over there. Like that, and use the clip to hold it down while it's gluing. The glue's drying as well. So there's the basic part. Choose which side you want your clip on. I always have the clip on the right hand side unless specifically asked for the other side. Now what we're going to do is glue the feet in, so you can decide how long or short you want these. Pop some glue on the back, and I put it inside the middle loop like that at a bit of an angle. You can choose which layer you want to put them in. You can put them under the back layer, but I always put them through the middle. Make sure they're about the same length. That looks okay to me. And then we just pop the hat on wherever you want to put it. Put it on that top layer. We can hide it just behind there. I think we're going to put it on the top layer. So it's going to overhang a little bit, so I don't need glue right up to the edge. We just pop it in that middle part there. And then we stick it on the corner like so. And there we are. We have our cute little elf bow. And as I say, these Felties are Emma Jo Felties, and I will put a link to the listing in the description. She also does these in pink if you like to do a pink version. This one is very Christmassy. And there we have it. A cheeky Christmas elf bow. Perfect for elf on the shelf. Just to wear at Christmas. Looks fantastic. Clipped in the hair, ponytail coming out the middle. The little hat just sticks out on top. This is it from the back. I find that sticking those feet in the middle layers, you can see, they're just stuck inside that loop. It helps secure that bottom loop to the tail as well. And there we go. Really simple to make, really simple bow, basic bow base, and then obviously adding these parts on just lifts it to another level. It's fantastic. So there you go. Follow the link in the description. Get your own elf bow parts. You can get them from other sellers, but these ones came from Emma Jo Felties. And I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you can. I also have a Facebook group. I'll pop a link to that in the description. You can share your makes and ask questions in there, and I'd love to see you. So everything's in the description. Have a look there, follow the links. Thanks for watching. Bye.